Hey guys, welcome to Homebody. I had no idea that you were here. If you're interested in seeing what I'm going to be sharing, just keep on watching. Okay, guys, so I am here in my master bathroom. I am not quite, I'm seeing something going on here. I am not quite done with this space, but I still wanted to jump on and share with you what I've done to it thus far. So I'm going for some modern boho chic-like vibes in this space. Now, I took a picture of this space and I put it in what is that? GPT chat or whatever, GCP, I don't know whatever it is. And it said that this was a minimalist style. I'm like, oh, I am not a minimalist. I am a maximalist altogether. So I don't know what GPT chat was talking about. So we're just gonna go with the flow. It said I'm a minimalist, but child, y'all know I am team too much all day long. Matter of fact, I wanted to put extra stuff on the walls and stuff. Anyway, let me show y'all the space on what I've done so far. And then I want y'all to tell me, what could I do to change, or to make it, get the look more so what I'm going for. Modern chic boho, you know what I'm saying? Pampas grass, clean lines and stuff like that. So let me go ahead and show you the space. Okay, so let's start with the tub area over here. So my tub is one of those freestanding tubs, and it actually came from Home Depot. Then I have like this acrylic bath tray on top of it with a QVC candle. Love this candle because all I have to do to turn it off is to put the top back on it, and guess what, guys? It's a diffuser. It puts out a very beautiful scent, and you can pick and choose what scents that you want to use, and it also shoots out like some smoke from time to time. Okay, so I'm gonna go up to this wall art here. Let me see if I can make this a little better. So this wall art is actually from Amazon. So let me tell you, when I saw it, I thought it was super, super cute. I like the fact that it has, the circle, moonish-like thing, that it has a black frame. Now, I would say this wall art should have costed about $19.99, maybe $24. But for some reason, it was 50-something bucks. And I started to send it back, but I like it so much, but I went ahead and kept it. I will have a link just in case someone is interested. It's a cute wall art, but I don't think it's really worth 50-something bucks for this particular size. But nevertheless, I like it, and it's giving me the vibes that I'm looking for in this space. The towels that I have in this space here is also from Amazon. I love these towels. I actually purchased these towels last year. I think they're still in stock, and I will link them. Then I have like a towel warmer here that came from Amazon. I'll link that as well. I have a freestanding faucet here that's actually from Wayfair. And then over this way, I have some some glass corner shelving. I don't think those are available, but I will link some similar to that. Then I have this wall art. This wall art, it scares me because it's one of those peel and stick wall arts. Because I'm thinking like one day it's gonna fall on me, but so far it's holding up there pretty well. It's a sticky bag, and then you stick the picture on the sticky bag, but it's up there pretty securely. Then I have those Burlington vases there, and then I also have a Home Goods vase that I stuck a couple towels in over there. Then I have some pampas grass here that's from Amazon. It's like 30 in a set, but let me tell you, it doesn't seem like 30 because they're very thin. but it's 30 in there. I need another pack. And then I have this vase here that's from Target. I have this tub here that's from Amazon that I stuck some towels in there. Then I have some towels here and a little mini ellipse vase down there. And then I have a little hook here that I actually use for my bonnet. But when I'm taking my baths or my shower, I usually keep my bonnet there. But I don't have my bonnet there because I'm doing a video. Then I have my remote. Now my remote controls my blinds here. These blinds actually might need to charge it. They actually are automated. And I'm going to keep it up for the sake of this video. But anyway, you charge the blinds via USB, and I have my USB cable just hanging here. I don't take it down because I use it. If I need to charge my blinds up, it'll be there for me. Then I have my shower area over here, and yeah, so that's this space on this side. Then I'm gonna stroll on around. Now, forgive me because I have my ring light plugged up over there to give me a little bit more light. Otherwise, it would be dark in here because I was trying to film in here earlier and it was so funny with the light. So remember those? I showed y'all these last week. So here they are, super cute in this space. Yes, I love them. Then I have some little luggage case here. These are from Amazon. These are paper, but they're cute. Then I have another vase that's from Target. This little slim console table there, that's from Amazon. Then I have a couple of vases down there. Those vases are from Z Gallery. I wanted to use them, and I saw another lady who put her vases under her console. And I'm like, you know what? I'm going to put my vases under my console instead of putting them in my shed. That's why I say I am not a minimalist. I am a maximalist altogether. I will use as much decor as I can to fill up a room. But GPT chat said that this was a minimal style. So over here on the toilet area, I have a wall art here. And this wall art here, I showed y'all in a haul. It came in a set. Then I have this other Burlington piece here, as well as these little plants here. These are faux plants. These are from Amazon. It comes 2 in a set, like $9. Now here is what I'm missing. I don't know what I want to put there, but when I do find the right thing to put there, I'm going to put something there. I didn't want to fill it up with toilet paper. Then I also want to get some pampas grass, some tall pampas grass, and put there. Black. And then I have these super cute little wall things here. These are from Amazon. I wish they were bigger, but anyway, nevertheless, they're cute. They're really cute. This is faux. Then it has the little white rocks in there. See the white rocks? Those are cute. Or maybe I can get 2 more and put like 1 here and 1 there. I don't know. I'll come up with something. These are acrylic shells. These are from Amazon. I'm not sure if they're still available, but if they are, I will link them. And then I have a wall, what is that? A light up there. That light is from Wayfair. I think it's really cute, but my husband, he thinks that it should be put out more light. But I was trying to explain to him, why would you need more light to sit over the toilet? I guess he want to read, I guess. But I like it. He did not want to put that light up because he said it wasn't going to put out that much light. But it's up there, guys. He's just going to have to deal with it. So let me show y'all this side over here. Remember I said I had my ring light plugged up. So that's let me see if I can plug it up on the other side. So yes, I plugged it up on the other side. So yes, so this is my vanity area here. I really like how this look is nice and clean. Now, I actually wanted to put some of that pampas grass in here because I ordered 30. I didn't know it was going to be so thin. I wanted to do pampas grass in that one and that one. So I ordered another set. It was about $9. So when the other set comes, I'll put the other pampas grass in that vase. But let me just show y'all how it's going to look once I put the pampas grass in there. Once I put it in, whoops, let me just do something here. No, I had to unbend the actual sticks because the other one is short. So I unbent it and it fits perfectly in here without being bent. So yeah, that's how that would look with the pampas grass. And so I took it out of that one, which I wanted in both of them because I like how it looks. So yeah, the pampas grass from Amazon. My towels are from Walmart. I showed y'all those last week, as well as the little tray. So see how cute that is? That is so cute. Remember I told y'all what I was going to do? So yeah, that turned out really cute. And these towels are from Walmart. And then the rug, I actually do not have the Walmart rugs down. I'll probably use them later. These rugs here are from Amazon. These are the same rugs that I had last year when I used the black and white. But I'm not sure about, I may take the Walmart ones back. I didn't realize that I had these until I was like looking for other black and white items, and I found these and I'm like, these will work. So I could take the black and white Walmart rugs back. I will link these as well. So yeah, so this is what I've done here so far in my master bathroom. I really like it. I'm showing y'all the ring light. I am so not used to filming with no light. So yeah, this is the space. I can just show y'all the other side. I didn't get around to this side. This towel, these are some more of those Amazon towels here. And then I have my little dirty clothes hamper here. And then another one of those wall art that I have over on the other side. I have this one over here. So this is the space. I hope that it inspired you all. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.